Good morning, good afternoon, Cape Austin Beacon Prep class of 2025. Here's one of your projects that you could choose from to work on over the next week. This one is called the City of Shapes. You're going to be working on perimeter and area in this math project. And there are lots of pages to choose from, and I don't care which one of these pages on the inside of this packet you choose to start with. I don't care which you choose to skip, as long as you are showing super high quality work, making sure you're uploading your images of your project to my Google Drive using your iPad mini. So here's page number 1, laying the foundation. Real simple. It gives you a description in your project on the first page of your project. It's going to always give you some instructions in where to do your work, how to show your work. This one right here just says you're going to use the attached graph paper to construct or build your own city, which is pretty cool. And when you've built your own city, you have to fill in this chart below based on the dimensions of each of these types of buildings. You're going to find each area and each perimeter. This next page, again, it gives you instructions. It says your city needs all the services of a regular city. You need a police station, you need a fire station, and a hospital. And inside, you'll need space for a wide variety of work. Use this page to help design the inside spaces of your city's services. So when you've created your city using the graph paper, this second page is saying, now that you've found a place for your police station, now that you have a place for your fire station with the correct perimeter and area, and your hospital, inside the police station rectangle or square that you're building, you're going to create additional things on the inside. Same thing for your fire station. You draw your fire station on your graph paper, and here are some instructions about what you're supposed to be drawing on the inside of your fire station. Here are the 5 things, or 6 things, sorry, that you're going to need to put inside of the rectangle or the square of your hospital. Here's some more examples of pages that you're going to work on. The instructions are on every single page for you. You got places to do your work and thinking, which is something I expect to see. And if you need extra paper in order to show that work and thinking, by all means, please, please, please make sure it's there and that you're taking images of it and uploading it to Google Drive. And just get to the graph paper. So many crazy pages. Okay, so here's a blank piece of graph paper, and this is the piece of paper that you're going to be building your city based on the information on this page. So you'll look at the dimensions, you'll use your graph paper, and if it says it's an 8x5 building, then you're going to want to find a space where you can do a safe 8x5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're going to label this the name of the building, which for me is the firehouse. So I'm coming back over here, and I'm going to label this my firehouse. And then be careful how you're writing these names, because it's going to be a lot of buildings on this one piece of graph paper. And just to give you an example of how many buildings you need to fit in and how much space to give, there's another page in here that gives you kind of an idea of how far apart things should be. And if you want to use this page in order to draw your 8x5 firehouse right over here, go ahead and do it. If you want to be really creative, you don't need to use this page. You can use the blank graph paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The image you're drawing right now is kind of like if you were a bird or if you were in an airplane flying above the city. And so you're looking down on the city from high in the sky, seeing all these buildings. Once again, be careful, because if you choose this project, you need to make space inside the police station, the firehouse, and the hospital for all these extra things. So that's why on this graph paper that's 100% blank, I didn't write the name of the building inside because I put extra stuff inside the firehouse. I hope that helps you choose which pages to work on if you choose to use the project where you're building your own city. Good luck and have fun.